everyone, my name is Drashti and welcome to my creative corner. In today's video, we are going to recreate this kind of everyday no makeup look which you can flaunt anywhere, your office, college, or like me going nowhere at home. So in this video I have used only drugstore products which are easily available in India, so you can easily find it anywhere. I have mentioned all the list of products which I have used into the description box. You don't have to necessarily use the same products which I have used. You can use whatever you have. If you want to connect with me, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. You can follow me on the username as Drashti's Creative Corner. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video.
I'm starting off with hairband to make my hair out of my face so it won't bother me during doing the makeup. And then I'm going to make a ponytail with a hair tie. And then I'm starting off with the skincare. I have already washed my face with the face wash. Now I am using rose water as my toner. I am using the Apollo Medical's rose water to tone my face and gently patting it and letting it dry on my face. Skincare is the most important part while doing the makeup. If you have your skincare game right, then your makeup will look flawless. Next up, I am taking my moisturizer. I am using the Navlon lotion, which you can find anywhere near your home into the medical store. It is very great moisturizer for normal to combination skin. Now I am applying into the dotting method and gently massaging it all over my face. Moisturizing is very important part while doing the makeup. If you have dry skin, I will prefer that you apply first your serum and then apply this moisturizer, so your makeup will look flawless and dewy. It is looking harsh, but I promise I am using very gentle motions to massage it on my face. I am leaving it for 10 minutes to dry. Next up, I am taking my lip balm, which is Nivea's original lip balm. Next up, I am taking orangish yellow color corrector from the brand Krylon. I am using it to color correct my darker areas like under my eyes and around my mouth. You can skip this step if you have lesser dark circle, or you can use the orange or red lipstick if you have in your vanity as your color corrector. I am using my hands to blend it out. You can use your fingers, sponge, brush, whatever you want to use. Make sure to wash your hands before blending the makeup with your hands. It is very potent in pigmentation, so use little by little and build it up as required. Next, I am taking my sponge, which is from the brand Pack, and removing excess product by dabbing the sponge onto the concealer. Next, I am taking Maybelline Super Fresh foundation into the shade 310 Sun Beige. It is very high coverage foundation, but I think it is slightly drying, so if you are using this foundation, please make sure to moisturize thoroughly before using this foundation. I am using it as foundation and concealer both. If you want to use it as concealer, dot it around your problematic areas like under eyes, on marks, pigmentation, pimples, and just blend it out. Make sure to use correct match of your skin tone of this foundation. Otherwise it will look ghostly if you use lighter shade, or if you use the darker shade then it will look very muddy on the face. So make sure you don't buy it online. Go to the store and check it onto the store. Now I am blending it with the PAC sponge and into the dabbing motion. Don't forget to apply it on your neck and ears to match your face. Otherwise it will look both different body parts. Take your time while blending the foundation. You don't want any harsh lines. Next, I am taking Lakme's 925 lip and cheek tint. I am using into the shade Blushed Velvet. It is slightly pinkish mauve color, which is my perfect match for MLBB shade. My lips but better. I am using it as a blush, cream blush. I am applying it onto the apples of my cheeks and blending it out with the sponge. You can use your fingers instead. I will suggest that apply the cream blush onto one side and blend it out properly and then move to the next cheek. It will blend it out seamlessly if you do it into this way. Next, I am taking that same lipstick onto my eyes as eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow. It will dry out into the powder finish, so you don't have to set it with the powder or any powder eyeshadow. And if you don't want to add eyeshadow into your daily makeup routine, then you can skip this step. I am applying it and blended it out with my fingers only. Next, I am taking the PAC sponge again and blending the boundaries of that blush to make it seamless. Next, I am taking, I have used the MAC one, but you can use any of those. I am using the MAC Compact. Very cheap alternative is Lakme's 925 powder foundation. I am using the MAC's Studio Fix powder into the shade NC42. I am using the sponge which comes with the powder and dabbing it around. Next, I am taking Maybelline's contour palette and using the contour shade to contour my cheekbones, forehead, nose and double chin. I am using the PAC's contouring brush. Next, I am taking Maybelline's blush, peachish colored blush, and using it as a powder blush on top of my cream blush. If you don't like this much blush, you can skip this step. I am applying it around my nose as well, so it will give youthful look to my face. Just try this method, you will love it, I'm definitely sure. Next, I am taking that rose water again and spraying it out on my face so I can remove the powderiness of all the powder products and pick up the excess powder with the help of the sponge. I am using this rose water as a setting spray. Next I'm taking Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter into the shade golden and applying it onto the high points of my face, onto the cheekbones, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. Highlighting into the makeup is my favorite part. You don't have to use the brushes for this, you can use your fingers. Next I'm taking that same highlighter and applying it to my tear duct area to brighten up my eyes. And blending it out with the eyeshadow brush. This makeup brush is not from any brand. It was gift from my friend which she had bought from US. Next I'm taking the Maybelline's eyebrow pencil into the shade grey. As you can see how less I have remaining. I'm in love with this pencil for filling up my brows. I am using just sparse area into my brows. I am not making my brows thick and bushy. I like it very normal and simple, just filling in it. Next I am taking old mascara wand which I have washed and cleaned. I am using it as pulley brush to brush out my eyebrows and picking up excess product from my eyebrows. Next I am taking Maybelline's Total Temptation mascara which is waterproof variant and applying it to my eyelashes. I have applied the mascara's 2 coats. It might seem like sponsored video because I'm using so many Maybelline products, but I just loved it. Love the Maybelline as brand which is drugstore easily available, and these product doesn't fail me anytime. By the way, it's not sponsored by Maybelline. Next I'm taking that same liquid lipstick from Lakme 925, the blush velvet shade, and applying it to my lips. I'm not overlining or underlining my lips. I'm filling just normally. I haven't used the lip liner for this. If you want to use the lip liner, you can use. Now I am removing my hair tie and my hairband from my hair, and I'll just be right back after fixing my hairs and wearing my accessories and get back to you. As you can see, this look is very simple. Anyone can wear it. You can wear it to your office, college. You can use this makeup look to weddings as well if you don't like too much makeup. I will see you in my next video.